ये जो नुकसान होगा बच्चों का,
नहीं, बच्चों का नुकसान अभी हो रहा है क्योंकि रिजल्ट डिक्लेयर नहीं कर रहे हैं, तो
अरे यार हमें मालूम है कि आप कहाँ पे आके फंसोगे, इसलिए वहीं पे क्वेश्चन पूछ लिया था।
Those 13% students will be suffering, my lord. How can they justify their action?
डोंट से द वर्ड्स स्टूडेंट, कैंडिडेट्स।
Candidate, sorry.
यस, हमें क्या मालूम किस सब्जेक्ट के इनको टीचर्स असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर ज्यादा चाहिए, किसमें कम चाहिए। नोटिस
The written examination for the post.
नोटिस 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 ना करें,
नहीं,
30 है ना, नोटिस ना करें सर।
that is
हाँ।
some urgency is there, my lord.
हाँ बताएं ना सर, कितनी अर्जेंसी है।
This written examination is going to be held on 9th of June, my lord.
हाँ सर, सुप्रीम कोर्ट क्या कहती है सर, प्रोविजनल एडमिशन देने चाहिए कि नहीं। What is the law about that aspect?
Today I am not on the point of provisional
You
admission.
may not be on that point. We are on
What
that.
I am saying is, my lord, the action of the MPPSC in withholding the result is arbitrary, my lord. They have misconceived.
आपको बहस करने का मौका दिया क्या? हमने तो ऐसे ही नोटिस कर दिया। You are asking for the interim relief.
No, but
We are on that issue. So far as the merits are concerned, we didn't ask you to utter even a single word. We are on that, and we are on the question of interim relief on this.
here for 1 minute, my lord.
Arey, you may take as much time as you feel comfortable, but what is the law? Let us start from the law.
My lord,
So what interim relief do you want, sir?
their action in withholding the result of state eligibility test exam
You want that
is
the
depriving these candidates, my lord, to appear in the written examination.
You
Not
want
only
that the
not
written
only-
examination of post of assistant professor should be adjourned. It should be adjourned. It is your interim relief.
That is not my intention.
No, whatever your intention is, but your words are that as an interim measure, the written examination date for the post of assistant professor, which is scheduled on 9/6/24, may be postponed, or it may be conducted only after declaring the entire or 100% result of the state eligibility examination, or preferably on 17/11/2024 along with the candidates of other subjects. ये जो नुकसान होगा बच्चों का,
नहीं, बच्चों का नुकसान अभी हो रहा है क्योंकि रिजल्ट डिक्लेयर नहीं कर रहे हैं, तो
भाई साहब आपका जो बच्चों का एग्जाम,
without declaring the result, how can they conduct the
the
written
prayer
exam?
for interim relief is hereby rejected.
My lord, kindly hear me for a moment, my lord.
So we are not going to postpone the examinations. You have sought the postponement of the examination for the post of assistant professor. We are not going to postpone it.
Kindly see the examination schedule, my lord.
9/6.
Certain subjects they are going to.
It is their prerogative. क्या हम चलाएं क्या?
No. But
अब
can they justify their action, my lord, in
आप मुझे
conducting
ये
the exam
बताइए कि
without declaring the entire result, my
भाई
lord?
साहब पीएससी के चेयरमैन हम बन जाएं, बन सकते हैं क्या?
But the action is expressly bad in law, my lord.
Maybe.
Kindly see for a moment, my lord. Kindly see for a
We
moment.
are not going to postpone it.
Not they are seeking they in the garb of the interim order passed in a case which involves recruitment. Now here it is not a case of recruitment, my lord. Here it is a case where I appeared in state eligibility test exam, my lord, and recruitment for assistant professor is going to be held. They can withhold that result after conducting the written examination for the post of assistant professor. But at this stage, how can they withhold the result, my lord? This is the completely misconceived interpretation of this MPPSC, that they can withhold the result, my lord.
Next.
My lord, then my alternative prayer is, my lord, that the petitioners may be allowed to appear.
मैंने पहले पूछा था, मुझे मालूम था आप आओगे वहीं पे। हमने पूछा था कि प्रोविजनल एडमिशन दे सकते हैं, आपने कहा दैट इज नॉट द क्वेश्चन। साहब मुझे मालूम है कि आप, अरे यार हमें मालूम है कि आप कहाँ पे आके फंसोगे, इसलिए वहीं पे क्वेश्चन पूछ लिया था। आपने कहा दैट इज नॉट द क्वेश्चन, तो ठीक है, you gave the reply of your own question, sir.
My submission is that it was not the primary question.
भाई साहब हमें प्राइमरी सेकेंडरी सारे क्वेश्चंस मालूम रहते हैं बैठने से पहले। आ गए ना अभी सेकेंडरी क्वेश्चन पे। सेकेंडरी क्वेश्चन को हमने पहले ही पूछ लिया था, क्योंकि हमने पोस्टपोन करना नहीं था एट द कॉस्ट ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स। दूसरा एक बचता था कि वेदर वी कैन परमिट यू प्रोविजनली, दैट वाज द ओनली क्वेश्चन। उसीलिए हमने आपसे पूछ लिया था, आपने कहा दैट इज नॉट द क्वेश्चन इन्वॉल्वमेंट का। थैंक यू वेरी मच, आई हैव गॉट द आंसर।
I was pressing that first argument, therefore I said that.
Fine, sir. You have already given the answer of your question.
My lord, I'm sorry for that, my lord.
Now, why should you feel sorry? You gave the correct answer.
I was sticking to that my first primary argument, my lord. Because 13% students will be suffering, my lord, my lord.
Mhm.
How can they justify their action?
Don't say the words student, candidates.
Candidate, sorry.
Yes, when I use the word students, that means the students who will be taught. And you are using the word students for those persons who are willing to appear in the recruitment examination. You are the candidates, not the students.
My lord, if we
That is an improper use of word. That is all.
if we see the examination schedule, for certain
Sir, we
papers,
have already passed the
for
order.
certain papers, my lord, the examination is going to be held.
Sir, we are not going to take over the charge of the state government. We know our limitations.
Can I,
It is their primary duty. हमें क्या मालूम किस सब्जेक्ट के इनको टीचर्स असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर ज्यादा चाहिए किसमें कम चाहिए आपके लिए असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर एक पोस्ट होगी इनके लिए असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर इन डिफरेंट सब्जेक्ट्स हैं मान
I am
लीजिए
also aspiring for assistant professor, my lord. How can they deprive me that
हाँ
opportunity?
सर हिंदी के सब्जेक्ट वाले को मैथ्स पढ़वा दें डोंट यूज दैट जनरल वर्ड
नहीं.
सर वी हैव ऑलरेडी पास द ऑर्डर ना सर
But they are depriving.
we have already passed the order.
This is my constitutional right, my lord.
Fine. We have issued notices. We have not dismissed your petition. Your constitutional right will be taken care of. Don't worry. Our only question at the very beginning was whether a provisional admission can be granted. What is the law by the Supreme Court? You said that is not the question. Fine, we got the answer.
This honorable
Now
court.
please stick to your answer.
This honorable court has passed the interim.
Fine, sir.
Particular case, my lord. I have enclosed the order, my lord.
Fine, sir.
I have enclosed.
Please tell us the law laid down by the Supreme Court. Whether a provisional admission should be granted, what is the law, sir? I thought that you must have come with that preparation. I thought that you must be knowing the difference between the Article 141 and the judgment passed in East India Companies Limited, Private Limited. When we are asking about the judgment by the Supreme Court, then you are pressing upon the judgment passed by the division bench or by the High Court. What is the law? Whether the Supreme Court has deprecated such practice or not. Then check.
Can a question be put to them, my lord? How can they justify, my lord?
इसलिए तो नोटिस इशू किया आप बताइए साहब आप क्या बताएंगे अभी जब तक इनको इंस्ट्रक्शंस नहीं मिलेंगे
They have already filed a reply in the connected writ petition, my lord. They are very well aware of this fact.
आ
And
जाए
taking into consideration
आने
their
दीजिए ना इसमें
reply, my lord, the interim
जवाब आने के बाद ही इंटरम प्रोटेक्शन हुआ ना तो यहाँ बिना जवाब के क्यों दे दें
9 तारीख को एग्जाम हो जाएगा.
कोई बात नहीं सर क्या फर्क पड़ता है
After 5 years, they are conducting this examination, my lord. I will be deprived from appearing in this.
देखते हैं सर but neither we can grant your provisional admission so that will be contrary to the judgment by the Supreme Court nor we can postpone the examination that is the difficulty and that's why we did not ask you any question with regard to the admission.
Kindly appreciate.
We didn't ask you even a single question with regard to admission. We didn't compel you to utter a single word with regard to the admission. Right? The entire discussion is going on whether the interim relief should be granted or not.
Should be granted because
Yes.
the
Sorry, sir.
reservation was
SLP, sir.
reservation was
SLP, sir. SLP, please.
from 14 to 27%. It was related to recruitment only. How can they justify, my lord, in SET exam, my lord, that reservation part they cannot apply in this SET exam, my lord?
Whether a relief which is permanent in nature or perpetual in nature or final in nature can be granted in the form of final interim relief.
That cannot be.
अभी आप हमसे पूछेंगे हम इतने क्वेश्चंस पूछ देंगे आपका आंसर आएगा इट कैन नॉट बी डन इसलिए हमने छोटा सा क्वेश्चन पूछ लिया था एंड यू सेड दैट इज नॉट द क्वेश्चन इन्वॉल्व्ड तो मैंने कहा वेरी गुड चल नेक्स्ट
Password cases item number 20.